Our top story tonight, an HVAC technician that one couple says changed their lives forever. I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Joshua. This is Cameron Lowe on the right with David Killian. 2 weeks ago, Cameron was at the Killian's house in Saudi Daisy to work on their air conditioner, but the Killians say he wound up saving David's life.
When David suddenly fell unconscious, Cameron noticed and called 911. News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum spoke with Cameron and the Killians to learn what happened that day. Mary Beth.
Latricia, Josh, it was a twist of fate for David Killian when he found his life in jeopardy 2 weeks ago. While the man who came to his rescue was in uniform, it wasn't the kind you'd expect to see.
Y'all have a good day. Take care, Cameron.
It's funny how he just seems to fit right in with us. I think maybe we needed him as much as he needed us.
A routine maintenance call.
I do hundreds of these a month. It was no different. I really wasn't even supposed to be here.
Bringing two men together when they needed it most.
Saving Mr. David, apparently, supposedly I saved him. He kind of saved me.
After a rescheduled visit, 21-year-old Cameron Lowe came to work on the Killian's AC unit, while David Killian mowed the backyard a few feet away.
He got done mowing, he took a break. That was his second break, and I didn't think much of it.
And neither did David.
You know, they talk about chest pains in your jaw and your shoulder and all that. I never had any of those pains whatsoever. I just got dizzy and blacked out.
And sweated a lot.
Sweated a lot.
Mm-hmm.
As he sat on the backyard swing, it was only a matter of seconds. But Cameron's work had just finished up.
I said, Mr. David, I'm all finished, and he didn't respond. I was like, man, this guy's a tough sleeper.
After no response, Cameron called 911 and performed CPR for the first time.
I can't put words to it. I don't feel like those were my hands. I did CPR for 11 minutes, and from what I understand, that's kind of unheard of.
A dispatcher walked him through step by step.
And we're grateful to her, whoever she is. Hopefully she'll see this.
At first, David's wife, Marilyn, had no idea what the two men faced.
I got home as quick as I could, not really knowing the outcome or how badly he was hurt or anything.
I'm still processing a lot of what's went on.
David spent 4 days in the ICU and found out an allergic reaction inflamed his heart almost a week before the attack.
I had 3 blood clots, and they cleaned those up and they put in another stent.
And after that stay, David has met his hero several times.
I think God stopped my heart to open up Cameron's heart, because this past Sunday, Cameron went to church with us.
But Cameron also met his.
Mr. David's a veteran. He don't like to talk about it, but he's the real hero.
Leaving the trio with a lot to be thankful for.
It worked out great.
Yeah. And I don't think I'm going to have to push mow the backyard anymore. So,
yeah, that's a plus.
So that's a bonus.
The Killians want to use their story to stress the importance of administering CPR as soon as possible. Marilyn told me that without Cameron's actions, the couple could have faced a different outcome. Latricia?
Mary Beth, right place, right time for that HVAC technician for sure. Harvard Medical School said that as of 2022, while 65% of people in the U.S. say they've received CPR training at some point in their lives, only 18% are up to date on that training. We appreciate you making News Channel 9 your trusted source for local news. For more updates on this and other breaking news stories, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.